Now let us see how to create a string. Now I am going to create a string which is defined within single quotes. So give it as print of single quotes Greater Chennai Corporation. Now you can see whatever given in single quotes it got printed as such. Now let us try a single quoted string defined within single quotes. So print of Greater Chennai Corporation's student. So now if you see here, I have used one single quotes for mentioning corporations. So overall I have mentioned a single quote. See here the color is different. So here till this it is in green color and here it is black in color. Here when I execute this, I will be getting syntax error saying that it is invalid syntax, because strings in single quotes cannot hold any other single quoted character in it. So this is a single quotes. It cannot hold any other single quoted character inside it, because the compiler will not recognize where to start and end the string. So compiler doesn't know where to start the string. So it won't be recognizing it. To overcome, so let me execute this. You can note that here syntax error shows invalid syntax. So to rectify this, again I'll be giving, it should be mentioned inside the double quotes. So to overcome this problem, you have to use double quotes. So now we can know that this corporations also got printed. So for that, if you want to use single quotes, you have to use double quotes so that it will get printed as it is. Now next statement is a string defined within double quotes. So here I am typing as print of computer science. So whatever you give in double quotes will be printed as it is. So the string computer science got printed. Now double quoted string defined within double quotes. So for that, print of, use triple quotes, computer science. Why am I using this triple quotes? Because as I want to print this word computer science along with the double quotes, for that I will be using this triple quotes. Now you can know that along with the double quotes, this computer science word got printed. Now single and double quoted multi-line string defined within triple quotes. So you can also print multi-line. For example, print of, use triple quotes to print the multi-line string. I want to print as, along with the double quotes, I want to print strings or mutable in Python. Comma, which means you can't make any changes once you declare. So here you can note that I have used double quotes. I want to print this entire sentence along with the double quotes. So inside this double quotes I have used the single quotes. So here also one single quotes is here. So in order to print this multi-line, so you have more than one line, that is called as the multi-line. So here 3 lines are there. So this multi-line I want to print means I will be using this triple quotes. Now press the enter key. You will be getting the output as strings are immutable in Python, which means you cannot make any changes once you declare. This is how a string can be created.